character traits. She was loving, she was kind, she was caring, she was there for everyone. Say one word to her. Say one word to her.
She was a teacher. She was a mother. She was loving. She was kind. She was... I have no word to say to her. Tu alikuwa mzuri kwa sisi wote. We loved you. But God has loved you more till we meet again. Kitu ya mwisho naweza kumbuka kwa mom alitupostia.
The clergy, family and friends, members of staff, parents, alumni present, students and learners, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is with heavy hearts that we, the alumni of Nibs Technical College, come together to pen down our collective gratitude and forward memories in tribute to our beloved mom and principal, Madam Lizzie Wanyoike. As alumni, we had the privilege of passing through her corridors that she guided. We reflect on her impact on our lives and the enduring legacy she leaves behind. Madam Lizzie was not just a principal, she was a guiding light during our formative years at Nibs Technical College. Her leadership was marked by a rare blend of firmness and compassion, creating an environment that encouraged both academic excellence and personal growth. Madam Lizzie's personal touch set her apart. She offered words of encouragement during challenging times and celebrated our achievement as if they were her own. Her impromptu meetings were not just administrative sessions, but expression of her genuine care and concern for each student's well-being. Madam Lizzie's influence did not end on the graduation day. As alumni, we carried her teaching into our diverse path, finding strength in the resilience she instilled and drawing on the wisdom she imparted during those impromptu counseling sessions. Her impact transcended the school walls, echoing in our professional and personal life. We fondly remember the open door of Madam Lizzie's office, the warmth in her smile, and the unwavering support that made Nibs Technical College feel like a second home. Her legacy lives on the comradeship she nurtured among us, creating bonds that withstand the test of time. As we say our final goodbyes to Madam Lizzie, we do so with hearts full of gratitude. Her leadership, mentorship, and unwavering dedication have left an indelible mark on each of us. In the tapestry of Nibs Technical College alumni, Madam Lizzie's influence remains an enduring thread weaving through the fabric of our collective memories. To Madam Lizzie Wanyoike, our mom, mentor, guide, and principal, we, the alumni of Nibs Technical College, have crowned you the passionate mother of wisdom. You are seen as a wise and caring mother, and we express our deepest appreciation and heartfelt thanks. Your legacy lives on the countless lives you touch, and as we carry your teaching forward, we honor the profound impact you had had shaping our academic and personal journey. Rest in peace, Madam Lizzie, knowing your spirit lives in the heart of your grateful alumni.
So thank you very much. This time I would just like to request all Nibs alumni to stand up. Nibs alumni, kama unajua wewe ulisomea Nibs na ulimaliza, kindly just stand up. Nibs alumni, stand up, tafadhali. Tupigie makofi tafadhali, yes. Have a seat, thank you, have a seat. Next I will call upon Nibs student, Nibs current student who had a tribute. Nibs current student. George, where are you? George. Harakisha tafadhali. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali. And then next will be followed by Lizzie Wanyoike, scholarship beneficiary. because mnajua mama alikuwa ameshikilia watoto wengi kimasomo. So next will be Lizzie Wanyoike, scholarship beneficiary. Karibu.
Weka ni weka, weka uru nowe weka ineliza rekire wega nikidwothe twi haha wega ta wega arekire wega kuri we areka wega kuri nie George Kuwadero. She loved to stay with young people. She loved to see success of young people. She loved to help young people. Lizzie did not love lazy young people. Alipenda tu kuwaita, anawaongeleshea. Today I'm giving out this tribute spoken word piece because Liz always was giving us pieces of advice. Thank you, Mom.
It's been a long way without you, Mama, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Kitu moja Liza alitufunza, umoja ni nguvu, utengano ni udhaifu. Peke yangu siwezi, ebu nisaidie.
I know it's painful to accept that she's normal, but it's normal. Madam Liz, truly, she has done wonders. She was always a shoulder to lean on. She was also talking and taking us as her kids. If you knock at her door, she always opened. She advised us to be heroes and heroines. Personally, I am celebrating Liz as a legend, shujaa wa kila wakati. Discipline ilikuwa top notch kwake. Madam alikuwa stress doctor. Madam alikuwa, and still she is a mentor. Madam alikuwa source of happiness. She was God chosen. Unajua kwa nini? Wengi wetu tulikuwa headband, yani vichwa ngumu, but tukifika hapa tunapata tu tumechange all of a sudden.
Nibs, we are mourning, but the whole country is mourning. Enyewe tumepoteza warrior. If it is not for Liz, many of us could be useless. But because of her, many of us, we are useful. Personally, before nikuje Nibs, I was a fool. But now look at me, I'm full of praise just because of Madam Liz. Liz amefanya watu wengi wapate future. Liz amepanguza wazazi wengi machozi. Liz amefanya familia mingi zikuwe successful. Liz amefanya familia mingi zipate unga. Mimi nimekosa maneno ya kumwambia asante.
If you follow Madam Liz Wanyoike footsteps, you will not be lost. Last thing I can ask you, did you love Liz? Did you love Liz? Did we love Liz?
Yes, we did.
Madam Liz alikuwa sensitive ikikuja ni kwa character. Every day, make sure you have a good character. Let me mention her character traits. She was loving, she was kind, she was caring, she was there for everyone. Say one word to her. Say one word to her.
She was a teacher, she was a mother, she was loving, she was kind, she was... I have no word to say to her. Alikuwa mzuri kwa sisi wote. We loved you, but God has loved you more till we meet again. Kitu ya mwisho naweza kumbuka kwa mom alitupostia, ebu mark your Bible at Mark 11 verse 24 inasema, whatever you ask for in a prayer, believe that you have received. Mimi leo my prayer hizi ni graduate na milango zangu zifunguke. Hakuachia hapo, akasema may God answer all you have prayed for, alafu akatuish have a wonderful Sunday. Hizo ndizo maneno zake za mwisho. Kuna watu walipita hiyo post, kuna watu wali blue tick, kuna watu wali grey tick, lakini sai make sure umeilike juu I like what she have done to us.
Let us be upstanding and sing this song one more time to her. Just from your heart, you can just sing this song. Let us sing this song to her.